Tired of phone tag and messy appointment books? Let's dive into how Acuity Scheduling can revolutionize your salon business in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Acuity Scheduling website and sign up for an account. Choose the plan that best fits your salon's needs. They offer various options depending on the number of staff and features you require. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is define your appointment types. Click on Appointment Types and add all the services you offer: haircuts, coloring, styling, and be sure to set accurate durations and prices for each. Next, set your availability by navigating to the Calendar Availability section. Here, you can specify your working hours for each day of the week, including any breaks or days off, ensuring clients only book when you're available. Now, let's personalize your booking page under the Customize Appearance section. Add your salon logo, choose brand colors, and craft a welcoming message to create a professional and consistent client experience. Finally, reduce no-shows by setting up automated appointment reminders. Go to email settings and customize reminder emails and texts. You can even request confirmations to ensure clients are still planning to attend. To make it easy for clients to book, grab your direct scheduling link and embed it on your website, social media pages, or even share it directly. This allows clients to book appointments anytime, anywhere, with just a click.